In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Healthcare Economics course on Harvard step by step so you know what to expect before enrolling. This is a great course if you're interested in understanding how business strategy connects with the structure and challenges of the healthcare industry in the United States. I'll walk you through how to find the course, what it's about, and how to enroll properly. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future how-to videos. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Harvard Healthcare Economics course and press enter. Look through the results and find the official Harvard website or Harvard Business School page related to the Healthcare Economics course. Make sure you're clicking a legitimate Harvard link so you're getting accurate information and secure access. Once you click on the Healthcare Economics course page, you'll be taken to the official course overview. Take a moment to scroll through this page carefully. Here, you'll see a detailed description of the course, including who it's designed for, what topics are covered, and how the learning experience is structured. In this course, Harvard Business School faculty teach learners how to align business strategy with the unique challenges and structures of the healthcare industry in the United States. You'll learn about healthcare systems, policy influences, economic incentives, and how organizations operate within this complex environment. This is especially valuable for professionals, students, and entrepreneurs who want a deeper understanding of healthcare economics from a business perspective. As you continue scrolling, you'll usually find information about the course duration, learning format, and any prerequisites. Some Harvard courses are self-paced, while others may have set schedules. Make sure to review this section so you know how much time you'll need to commit and whether the course fits your goals. When you're ready to move forward, look for the Enroll button on the page. This is typically clearly visible near the top or after the course description. Click on Enroll to begin the registration process. After clicking Enroll, you'll be prompted to sign in or create an account if you don't already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your details. Once your account is set up or you're signed in, you'll be taken to the payment section. Here, you'll see the course fee along with payment options. Review the pricing carefully and make sure you understand what's included, such as access length and any certificates offered. When you're ready, enter your payment information and complete the checkout process. After payment is successful, you'll receive confirmation that you're enrolled in the Healthcare Economics course. You should also receive an email with access details and instructions on how to start learning. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and enrolled in the Healthcare Economics course on Harvard. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.